Help! Gavin, I want to start reloading and I don't know what to buy. Well, the answer could be right here in this box. Gavin, you here from UltimateReloader.com. What I have here in this box is the all-new RCBS Rebel reloading kit. The RCBS Rebel press is the new heavy cast iron single stage reloading press from RCBS for 2020. It takes the place of the familiar Rock Checker Supreme. You're going to want to check out the video that I did unboxing, setting up, and loading ammunition using the RCBS Rebel press. I just partnered with RCBS and Mid-South Shooter Supply to give away an RCBS Rebel Master Kit. We went over the kit contents. In this video, we're going to take another look at Rebel kits by looking at the Plus kit. We're going to take it out of the box. We're going to walk through what all of the individual parts and pieces are, and then in a future video, I'm going to show the end-to-end reloading process with this kit. So let's get the kit open. I haven't looked in here yet. You can see on the side of the box what's included. Okay, we have the primer flip tray. We have the power pull kit. This is an impact bullet puller, a very important tool. We have the owner's manual for the hand priming tool. We have the Rebel reloading press manual. Looks like a poster. I'm gonna put all these printed materials together. Stainless steel dial caliper case length gauge, 0 to 6 inch calipers, another really important thing. We've got the 1500 grain scale. This is the new scale from RCBS for 2020. Talked with Will about that at the 2020 SHOT Show. We've got a reloading block. It's a universal unit. We've got the powder trickler 2, the second iteration of that particular product. Looks like we've got some shell holders coming here. We've got a powder funnel. These are all of the basic tools that you're going to need to reload your own ammunition. Got my knife here. Case lube, aerosol type. Actually, no, this is squirt bottle type, non-pressurized. The Case Slick case lube. Here is the body for the hand priming tool. Wow, there's so much here that I'm gonna have to scoot things over to make room for everything. The Spear reloading manual, number 15. Gotta have the data if you're gonna load ammunition safely. In fact, I typically use multiple sources of manufacturers' load data before I feel like I've really nailed things down. Okay, here's the body for a Uniflow powder measure. We've got the handle, more printed materials. Ah, I knew there was something there. This is a bench mounting bracket. We've got the advanced powder measure stand. I didn't even see, oh yes, I did see this. I saw this at the SHOT Show, again, talking with Will. Isn't that nice? I like how tall this is because sometimes if it's hanging over your bench, it's hard to have enough clearance for tall cartridges that you're charging with powder. It's a hand tool, 4 brushes, case prep stuff. We've got an Allen key set, a set of rings for dies. These have got the little brass set screw that is used to preserve the setting. I hope you guys are enjoying this. Can you kind of smell the new product smell? Vicariously, next best thing to Christmas morning, hopefully. We're gonna put this with the hand case prep tool here. A different style of primer pocket cleaner I can see there. Whoa! And here we go. More shell holders. The big, the bad, oh, RCBS Rebel. Wow. I'm gonna put the kit box aside here. Look at that. I've got shell holders coming out of my ears here. Some more case prep stuff. Chamfer tool. Kind of nice to get all of the basic shell holders all in one place. Okay, so this is familiar if you saw the Rebel unboxing video. There she is. Look at that bad boy, huh? The Rebel. This is a hefty piece of gear. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to kind of get everything sort of set up and organized, and then we'll walk through all of the kit contents yet again. And this is what things look like after getting everything out of the box and doing a basic setup on some of these components. Again, we've got the Rebel press. I'm showing it here with an inline fabrication ultra mount. That's the way that I've chosen to mount it to the press. You could also mount this using bolts right through the tabletop, your bench top. You could use one of the universal mounting blocks that RCBS has with pre-tapped holes in it. Bunch of different options there. We've also got the Uniflow powder measure and stand. I love this high-rise stand, how this gets the entire measure up off of the bench with plenty of room to work. We've got the powder trickler 2. This has got the adjustable base and it's got the extension for the drop tube. The 1500 grain pocket scale. It does come with the batteries. Haven't tested this yet, but you can expect to see that in upcoming stories. The powder funnel. So if we're going to dump a charge into the pan, trickle it up with the trickler, we can then use the funnel and use that in combination with the universal loading block here to complete that powder charging process. We've got a couple extra parts with the Uniflow measure, including 2 drop funnels, one for large diameter case mouths and one for small diameter case mouths. You also have the option to mount your powder measure directly to the press or your bench with this bracket. We've got the kinetic bullet puller, and this comes with 3 different sizes of collets, one pre-installed that covers small, medium, and large case rims. The Spear number 15 reloading handbook. Again, this is going to give you all of the data that you're going to need to get started reloading. We've got case slick, case lube. We've got the 0 to 6 inch calipers, these dial calipers. This is something that you can use to check case neck diameter, overall case length, overall cartridge lengths, things like that. We've got 6 different shell holders. This is great because all of the common sizes are going to be represented there. If you click on that first link in the video description, I'll have the detailed specs for the kit. We've got extra RCBS die lock rings. We've got some tools for case prep. The inside and outside case mouth chamfer tool. We've got 2 different sizes of neck brushes and 2 different sizes of primer pocket cleaners with this handy handle that they screw into. Now, if you have other 832 threaded case prep accessories, brushes, primer pocket uniformers, whatever it happens to be, those are going to screw right into this tool as well. Allen key set, which is handy for doing things like tightening set screws on your die lock rings, setting up the powder measure, things like that. Hand priming tool. Now this comes set up to use standard shell holders, plus it's got the large priming components pre-installed. It also comes with the primer rod and adapter for small primers. This, as you can tell, is a very comprehensive set. There's a couple things that you're going to need to think about. Now I have an article called, well, 2 articles. One, what you need to load pistol ammunition and what you need to load rifle ammunition. You're going to want to check those out because they have a complete list. This has most of the stuff you're going to need. You're also going to need dies for each caliber that you're going to reload. You're going to need components, primers, powder, bullets, that kind of thing. And case cleaning. You're going to want to get some walnut shell media and a vibratory tumbler, separator, or you could go ultrasonic, or you could go wet tumbling. There's a bunch of different options for that. But you're typically going to want to clean your cases before you go through the reloading process. Wow. Okay, I like these kits because sometimes you can get a good discount if you click on that first link in the video description, I'll have a link to the Mid-South product page. They got great prices, they've got great customer service, and it's also kind of one-stop shopping. Like I said, this is going to get you most of what you need to start reloading. If you check out my what you need to load pistol and what you need to load rifle articles, that you give you the rest of the bill of materials for what you're going to need. It's just going to be a handful of things. So, all new Rebel, very exciting. 2 different kits, the Plus kit, which you see here. There's also the Master kit. And again, I'll link to the giveaway that I did with Mid-South, because in that blog post I went into detail on all of what is included in that kit as well. Here's what I'd like to know is, what do you think of this kit? Please drop a comment and we'll start a discussion. Are you a diehard RCBS fan? Drop a comment and we'll find out why. Plus, I plan on showing this equipment end to end in some of the load development and some of the accuracy testing stories that I have coming up. Lots of good stuff there. You're going to want to make sure that you're subscribed with notifications so you don't miss out on any of that. If you liked this video, if you like RCBS, if you like this Plus Rebel reloading kit, please give the video a thumbs up. Also, again, that first link in the video description, more detailed article, links to product pages. I've got Ultimate Reloader shirts in the Ultimate Reloader store, and I'm on Patreon. Links in the video description. Thank you for watching. Until next time, happy shooting and happy reloading.